How are you?
I'm doing well.
And what's your name?
My name is Emilio. I'm working from Brovedani.
Brovedani?
Brovedani is an Italian company, precision machining components. We are working mainly in the automotive business, but today we are here because we are entering in the business of humanoid robots with precision machining components. And so I hope that Brovedani can also step further in the US market with these components.
Wonderful. And if a US manufacturer, auto manufacturer otherwise, were to use Brovedani, what can they expect? How does your company, your tooling, help them become better?
We are coming from automotive business, so the quality and the high standard in terms of quality is our target. So we can supply our customer in a reliable way with competitive prices, I hope, and support in a very
Wonderful.
good way.
And how can US manufacturers find Brovedani?
You can contact me.
Yeah, how do we contact you?
You can find on our website our references and write to us. We have also location in Italy, Slovakia, and Mexico, so
Okay.
we can support locally.
Wonderful. Thank you very much, Emilio.
Thank you to you.